It's time to say goodbye to those heavy dishes. It's time to eat light. It's time to eat tasty with some delicious tempeh. Today we are taking a classic spin on a summer salad, delicious to enjoy. All you need to do is turn up the air conditioner, chill out with some lemonade and watch as this recipe unfolds. So guys, what is tempeh? Tempeh is soybeans that have been fermented for 36 hours. It sets into a block. You can either mince it or mash it. I'm using the natural tempeh that has been cut into cubes, and I'm going to marinate it with some Jamaican spice for this classic salad. Mix it up and set it on the side for 20 minutes till it absorbs everything. Spot on. It's now time to grill the tempeh. So into a non-stick pan gets about 5 to 10 mils of extra virgin olive oil, and I want that to go right into the tempeh. So we're just going to put all that in for about 4 to 5 minutes on either side. So for all you vegetarians out there that struggle with a fantastic protein option for a salad, tempeh is for you because it absorbs flavor and it's a great way to add a lean protein which is high in fiber right in your summer meal. So into the same pan, and I'm not going to bother changing the pan, goes in about 4 cloves of garlic, some madras shallots, a little bit of water. It's now time to take some boiled barley which I soaked overnight and just boiled for 15 minutes and dunk that in. Finally, some grilled vegetables right on top, and for that I'm going to take a little more of extra virgin olive oil, half a broccoli that has been blanched, just some mixed peppers cut into triangles going right in. A monstrous salad with a monstrous protein. This is a wholesome, nourishing salad all by itself, the bed of some carb, good carb. Now dressings are all to lighten it up and flavor it. Whoever said salads are boring, you can make it as fun as you want it to be. Play around with vegetables, play around with flavor. Garnish this with some dehydrated apricots on top. A little bit of walnut magic, never did anyone any harm. And you have a decadent summer salad ready to be enjoyed. I'm going to dig right into this baby.